Hey J buddies, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about something that's just right for this season, and this is 10 things that bring good fortune to your home. Are you looking to bring some good fortune into your home? Here are 10 things that are believed to bring luck and positive energy to your space. 1. A painted front door. In Feng Shui, the front door is considered the mouth of universal energy and is believed to determine the energy in your home. One common practice is to paint your door based on the direction it faces. 2. Fruit. A bowl of citrus fruit, such as lemons, is said to attract prosperity and positive energy into your home. 3. Elephants. Adding elephants to your home decor, whether through figurines, pillows, or paintings, is believed to bring positive energy and good fortune. 4. Crickets. Finding a cricket in your home is said to be a sign of good luck to come. 5. Horseshoes. Some believe that horseshoes bring good fortune to your home. Placement can vary, with some saying an upward-pointing horseshoe will keep your luck from running out and others believing a downward-turned horseshoe will make fortune fall on those who walk through it. 6. Fish. Fish symbolize prosperity and abundance, and bringing a goldfish into your home or building a koi pond could bring you good luck. 7. Fresh flowers. In addition to looking and smelling nice, fresh flowers are said to bring positivity and brightness to a space, particularly those without thorns. 8. Incense. Not only do they make your home smell good, but some believe that incense brings harmony and luck. 9. Bamboo. Bamboo is often considered a good luck charm and is said to bring peace, productivity, and positivity wherever it is placed. 10. Furniture arrangement. Whether you believe in superstition or not, rearranging your furniture can change the energy of a room. Try using Feng Shui the next time you rearrange your furniture. It could bring you good luck. My JB buddies, there are many ways to bring good fortune into your home. Whether it's through decor, plants, or the arrangement of your furniture, incorporating elements that bring positive energy can help create a harmonious and lucky space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.